To apply a vendor credit to a bill in QuickBooks Online, hover over the Create button in the navigation bar. Then click the Pay Bills link under the Vendors heading in the drop-down menu to open the Pay Bills window. To select the account from which funds are drawn to pay the bills, use the Payment Account drop-down at the top of the window. Then enter the date of the bill payment into the Payment Date field. To print the bill payment checks later, check the Print Later checkbox. Alternatively, to enter the starting check number to record checks already created, uncheck the Print Later checkbox and then enter the starting check number into the starting check number field that appears. Bills entered during the last 12 months then appear in the list below. Scroll through the list or filter it by using the Filters button to find the bill to which to apply the vendor credit. Then check the checkbox to the left of the bill to automatically apply the vendor credit. The Credit Applied column shows the vendor credit applied to the selected bill. If needed to change the amount of vendor credit applied to the bill, change the amount in the Credit Applied column for the selected bill. The Payment field shows the total amount minus any credit applied. Then click or select a choice from the drop-down button in the toolbar in the lower right corner of the window to either save the bill payment and select a follow-up action or schedule an online payment. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.